Okay, so we're back browsing the AI agent store, part of the weekly routine.
Yep.
And I stopped on a tool today that I think, well, it solves a massive headache for developers.
Oh, yeah.
We're looking at the Bright Data Web MCP.
Ah, okay. That's a good find.
Yeah.
Really good find.
I think so.
Yeah. And honestly, before we even dive into what Bright Data does, we have to talk about those three letters,
MCP.
MCP. Because that architecture, that's really the headline here.
Right, the Model Context Protocol. It's basically becoming the universal standard, isn't it?
It really is.
Like a USB port for LLMs. Instead of, hacking together some custom code to get an AI to talk to a tool,
Right.
MCP just gives you a standardized plug.
Exactly. And in this case, that plug connects your AI assistant directly to the live public web.
Which is where most of them fail.
They hit a wall. Yeah, they get blocked. Or the information they get is, totally outdated.
The dreaded 403 forbidden error? Because the website knows it's a bot?
Instantly. But this tool, it acts more like a stealth browser. It routes the AI's requests through this huge network of residential proxies.
So real IP addresses.
Real IP addresses. So it just looks like a normal human user. It handles all the headers, the cookies, all the plumbing that usually trips up a bot.
And that explains the core functionality I'm seeing here. It's not just fetching pages.
No, not at all.
It has built-in unblocking technology. It solves KPCHAs, handles rate limits automatically.
Which is huge. If you've ever tried to write a scraper, you know that pain.
Oh, yeah.
Your script just dies because you sent one too many requests. This tool, it just manages all that in the background so the AI doesn't get stuck.
And I imagine that plays a big part in its autonomy score. I'm seeing a 78% autonomy level listed here.
That is exactly what that number tells us. It's not just about uptime. It's about the agent's ability to actually complete a complex loop.
Like, go find the price of this laptop.
Exactly. Yeah. Without needing a human to step in and click a verify button, it makes the agent reliable enough to actually trust with a real job.
So who's this for then? Who's the builder that needs this most?
It's for the AI engineers, software developers, data scientists, anyone building an application that depends on fresh context.
Right.
If you're building a market research bot or a news aggregator or, a travel assistant, you can't rely on training data from last year.
You need to know what's happening on the web right now.
Right now. And looking at the specs, it seems pretty flexible.
Yeah, you can run it locally with an NPM package or just use their hosted endpoint if you don't want to manage the server side.
Plus, they've made it really easy to just try out.
The freemium model.
Yeah, there's a rapid tier that gives you 5,000 free requests a month.
Which is plenty to build a prototype without even putting down a credit card.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice to see tools that just remove that whole infrastructure tax, You just plug it in and focus on your logic.
And that leads to a pretty wild implication. If we kind of zoom out for a second.
What are you thinking?
Well, if we have agents that can reliably navigate the live web, bypassing all the usual bot filters, we're going to see a massive shift in speed.
In speed.
Yeah. We're moving to an economy where AI reacts to real-world events like stock changes or breaking news instantaneously.
No latency. The moment it happens, the agent knows.
Precisely.
Well, if you want to speed up your own builds, you can find the link at aiagentstore.ai.
And thanks, everyone, for rating this show. It really helps us out.